Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the cannot install app you are not eligible error from Epic Games on iPhone or iPad. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings and check your internet connection to make sure it is stable. After that, go back and open General, then tap Software Update and confirm that your device is running the latest iOS version. Next, return to Settings and open Date and Time. Make sure the Set Automatically option is enabled. Now, go back again and open Language and Region. Change your region to either the United States or the United Kingdom. Once done, return to Settings and scroll down to Apps. Find and open Safari, then scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Select All History and confirm by tapping Clear History. After completing these steps, restart your iPhone or iPad completely. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.